Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge by this Swapnil. In previous videos, I have uploaded some tables by using an Excel file in our workspace, right? If you check my previous videos, under the default, if you see, this is the shopkeeper data that I have created. I am currently in a catalog folder, right? Now, if you change your mind and if you want right now to rename the table name, then how you can do it? For that, what you have to do is you have to just select your table okay, under the default section. So whenever you uploaded your Excel files or CSV files to create a table in a Databricks, it will upload it by defaultly in the default folder of this workspace, whatever the workspace name you have. Okay, okay. Under Delta, they have some samples table, but here it will not upload. So what you have to do is you have to select workspace. Okay, default, this is shopkeeper name, and you have to click on the three dots, rename, let's say shopkeeper sales details. Okay, and you have to just click on save. Okay, you cannot add space, so what I will do, I will add underscore. Let's try now. Okay, now it's created, sorry, it's renamed. So this is very simple steps. If you are new to the database, then you can try these steps so that you can rename it out. Again, the second method is you can do it by using a query, but if you don't want to do it from query, then here is the solution. But okay, so under samples, because these are the samples data and a database, these tables and database are read only under these samples, so you cannot make any changes. So consider this while doing a practice. I hope you like it. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.